green tea with jasmine is one of those teas that's luxurious, it's refreshing, and green tea is so good for you, packed with antioxidants. And to me, green tea and seafood are a match made in heaven. And that's where I'm starting. I'm starting with some beautiful salmon, a little bit of green tea, and then a dukkha mix. I found a dukkha mix in the supermarket. It's got pepitas, it's got lots of flavor, garlic, some onion salt, garlic salt. So that itself will be delicious. And that's all I'm going to do. Very easy to prepare. Get a nice heavy pan onto the stove and get it smoking. Okay, so first I'm going to crush up this tea. It's big, large pieces of tea mixed up with my dukkha mixture, a little bit of salt, and then just thoroughly combined so that when it sticks to the fish, there's going to be a little bit of everything. Now I've got a little bit of soy sauce, which I'm going to brush on the fish, and that'll be the glue. I'm going to add my oil to the pan, ensure that it becomes nice and hot, and then take the fish. Now this fish has the skin on, which is also lovely because crispy skin fish is beautiful as it is. Coat it nicely with your mixture, and then when you place it into the pan, move it away from yourself so that you don't burn yourself. Again, shake the mixture up, dab it, make sure it's beautifully coated, and then put it into the pan away from yourself. Keep the pan really hot and let it cook. Now there's a couple of secrets here to know how to make medium rare fish, and that is by seeing the white line that's starting to rise on the fish. When it gets to a third of the way, it's time to turn the fish. And by then the skin should be crispy too. Now the color has risen to a third of the way up. Gently scrape the fish off the bottom, not damaging the skin at all, and then gently flip it. And you have this beautiful golden brown color on the skin of the fish. Same with the other one. And what we're doing here is basically just toasting all that dukkha and the tea and everything, and the flavors are going to go into this and be absolutely fantastic. About 3 minutes and I can plate it up. Okay. They'll get the skin at the bottom. Perfect. Now, again, there's tea on this, but I would strongly recommend that you have this piece of fish with the Dilmah jasmine and green tea, because what it does is it helps emulsify the fats. So as you eat this with the salad, you're going to have great enjoyment, but while you drink the tea, it'll help your digestion, make you healthier. The health-giving benefits of Dilmah tea come through again. So enjoy.